What's up, YouTube peeps and barbecue freaks? Thank you guys for joining me today. If you saw my last video, you know I did a rub review from Smiling Swine's barbecue, and that was a rib rub. Today, I'm going to do a review of his steak and chop rub. This is really excellent out of the container. If it's anything like the rib rub, this is going to be phenomenal on some meat. I've got a couple of ribeyes that I'm going to season up. Now these are, they aren't very expensive ribeyes. They aren't really thick or anything. I just bought some cheap select ribeyes so I can try this rub out on. I'm gonna slice them up anyway, put them in a taco. I'll probably top it with some jalapenos and avocado, keep it simple. But I'm really looking forward to trying this rub out. I'm gonna bring you guys along and we're gonna see how good this steak and chop rub is. Let's get started. All right, you guys, so I got a couple of bone-in ribeyes. These are really thin. They're about half an inch thick, which is, again, that's gonna be fine because I'm gonna slice them up anyway. I'm just gonna take a little bit of Worcestershire just to give a binder for this rub. I could probably get away without having to use a binder, but I like a little W sauce on my steaks as a binder. So here's the steak and chop rub. Man, I'm telling you guys, out of the container, it's excellent. Just gonna get it seasoned up. I'm not sure how I'm gonna cook these just yet. I might cook them on the Weber. Although, I'm thinking I might just cook these on my chimney starter, my Weber chimney starter. I think since they're really thin, they aren't gonna take long at all. Maybe just a couple minutes on each side, or a few minutes on each side. So I may just cook them on my chimney starter. We'll see. So got that W sauce on that. We're gonna get the rub on these, and that's it. I'm gonna let them sit for a bit. I'm gonna go fire up my chimney starter and we'll get these cooked up, sliced up. I've got some fresh tortillas that I picked up. It's gonna be good. I'll show you how I have this set up. I got my Weber chimney here, filled up about halfway with coals, got that lit, got my grill grate on top, and I'm just gonna throw these steaks one at a time right on top. I'm gonna go 1 minute, turn it 90 degrees, go another minute, flip it over, so 2 minutes on each side, and then they'll be done. Again, they're not very thick, so that should do it. I'm gonna grab these steaks, get them on, and get them cooked up. So I got it on 1 minute. I'll rotate it, another minute, flip it over. I'm gonna do the same thing to both of them, and then we'll get them inside and let them rest. I got one steak done here. I've got the other one on here. Got a jalapeno here that I'm roasting up. I'm gonna dice that up and add that to my tacos. All right, you guys, so these steaks are done. It's kind of what they look like here. Got my jalapeno. This thing smells amazing. Oh, this is gonna go really good in a taco. So I'm gonna let this rest for about 10-15 minutes, and then I'm gonna just slice it up and then make some tacos, see what it tastes like. You guys, I got some limes cut up, some avocado. I just cut up one of the steaks. Let's see how it looks. Oh yeah, that's perfect. Just like fajitas. Take a look at these. Yeah, I'm digging that. Very, very happy with that doneness. That's perfect. I've got my comal warming up. We're gonna warm up some tortillas and make a sandwich. Look at that. Yeah. I was worried that I would overcook these because they were so thin, but as you can tell, they are perfect. So I'm gonna take my jalapeno here. I'm gonna slice that up. We're gonna add that to some tacos. Let me get everything together and I'll show you what the taco looks like. Tortillas that were just made a few hours ago, so they're fresh. We're gonna get it warmed up and use this for tacos. Again, I got some avocado slices, some lime wedges, and that jalapeno. I did not take the seeds out, cooked it whole. I'm gonna leave that in. I like the heat. Let's make a taco. All right, so I'm gonna take some of this ribeye here. Let's lay that in the middle. Just go with a few slices there. I'm gonna come back with some of this jalapeno here. Let's put a couple of slices there, some avocado. Now you can top your tacos with whatever you like. This is, just one way that I enjoy it. Keep it simple. If you want to add some salsa, you can add some salsa. You can add some sour cream, cheese, whatever you like. But I like to keep it fairly simple. So that's all I'm going to do there. I'm going to take some lime right over the top. And then we're going to give it a taste. All right, so I know what somebody's going to say. I just know it. How can you taste the rub when you add all that stuff on there? So here's what I'm going to do. I got a piece of the ribeye here with just the rub on it, not in a taco, that I'm going to give a taste so I can taste the rub without the other stuff in it or on it. It's good. That's got some really, really good flavor. That's definitely a great steak rub. It's good. I'm digging it. Oh yeah. Now let's taste that taco. There's a taco here. Salud. That jalapeno is excellent. We get that char from it. There's not a lot of heat. And then the smoothness or creaminess of the avocado. I definitely think it pairs well together. I gotta tell you, first time using this steak and chop rub from Smile and Swine Barbecue. I really liked it. What I'm really interested in doing is making a steak for the missus and having her try this out, because I know her absolute favorite rub for steak is It's Incredible. But I have a feeling if she tries this, that she's really, really going to like it. So I can't wait to do a steak for her. Again, this steak rub was excellent. Ken from Smile and Swine Barbecue's got some really good products. I've only tried 2. I have an SPG left to try, but I am really, really satisfied with the 2 that I've tried so far. I like them. I know in my last video, some of you have commented that you actually have the rubs also and enjoy them. So I know I'm not the only one that really digs these rubs. So I will leave a link below to their website if you're interested. If not, then, don't go and buy anything. Again, it's a veteran-owned company. I like to help out veterans anytime I can. So I'm definitely going to purchase some myself. So again, I will leave a link below to their website. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I want to eat this taco because it's damn good. I'll see you guys next time. Take care.